Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you.
Sporting a bold style all its own, the Ford Flex is a crossover you can't help but notice. And with its progressive design, intelligent technologies, and spacious cabin, the Flex is also a uniquely versatile package. It comes in 3 distinct models, SE, SEL, and the fully loaded Limited. Let the sky in with the available multi-panel Vista roof. It features 4 skylights that cover all 3 rows of seats. That includes an available power fold 3rd row seat, which helps you access more than 83 cubic feet of cargo space with the touch of a button. Under the hood, an available 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 combines direct fuel injection with twin turbocharging for maximum power and amazing efficiency to get you where you're going in time and under budget. Your Flex is smarter than ever with available driver assist technology that alerts, warns, and can even auto-maneuver. You'll love the easy-to-use Sync infotainment system and its LCD touchscreen. And the free Ford Pass app lets you access your Flex with your smartphone. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories and build a Flex that's all yours. The Ford Flex. It's distinctively different.
Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years. Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles, and to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.